Mother's Day is almost here, and if you're like the most of us, you're faced with the same question each year. What do I get my mom? Well, have no fear, because today I'm joined by style expert Brittany Levine, who's going to let us in on some of the most unique gifts that your mothers are sure to love. Brittany, we need you now more than ever.
Of course, not a problem. Probably one of my favorite finds, and the first thing I loved for summer was these great summer bags by Ellen Allen, found on ellenallen.com. Basically, they're water and scratch resistant, and basically they're kid proof and kid friendly.
What are these little
These stationary items
yes.
right here? It's funny you ask, because we found these on postprints.com. You can go on and electronically create lookalikes of your mom yourself. Probably the best do-it-yourself stationery that I've found to date. Coming along to more of the chic Mother's Day gifts this year are everything from Perrin Paris. This is the Martha handbag, perfect for all mothers, again on the go, because it's a little bit more chic. It can hold your cell phone, a place for your digital camera, and your credit cards all in one. And I found these incredible cupcakes at cupcakestop.com. You can actually find the location online or on Twitter at cupcakestop. I feel that every mom deserves to take a little time off and relax on their feet, which is why I found Mommy's Time Out wine.
Stop it.
Yes, it's actually called Mommy's Time Out. It's $8.99.
Okay. Now, who's this? Yeah.
Well, this is the Shabby Dog. You know, basically he's decked out in this fun bling. The Shabby Dog has released the hands-free dog cuff and leash to go with it. Also have the adorable portable dog bowl, which come in an adorable little case that you can tote around. Every mom wants to look fabulous on the go. And then going into some of the best Mother's Day gifts that have been around for a few years now, Bonnie Marcus collection. She has recently released the most stylish notepads. Basically, they only are $6 each, but they're perfect for simple reminders, shopping lists, etc.
Brittany, thank you so much. You gave us some great ideas. Now, there's no excuse not to pamper your mom on this Mother's Day. I'm Joelle Gargiulo. Thanks for watching.